A stranger came to town. As he was walking down the road, he saw a boy drawing a yellow line. He was being led strictly by his father. The line was straight as a pencil. The stranger passed by and didn't pay them any more attention. On the next day, the stranger saw the boy alone near the straight line, but this time painting a new line, one that was forming an unusual shape. Many village children started to gather around the boy. They were shouting at the boy. The boy just kept drawing a circular line that would eventually enclose him in. The boy's face looked straight forward, and he was enjoying himself. But the children were all standing behind the line. The boy's actions reminded the stranger of his own childhood. His mother insisted that he not cross the lake behind their house. Mother told him that different people lived on the other side who speak a strange language and feed children with poison mushrooms. Once he crossed the line and took a boat where he was not supposed to. As he landed, the foreign people came almost from nowhere, making a great noise and threatened him with their sticks and shovels. The only safety was to return to the other side. The stranger understood that the boy, by drawing the yellow line, was creating the lake from his childhood. Children can play, but the borders they create are not for crossing, he thought.